hip joint. So this is still part attached to the ilium. So this would now be your iliofemoral ligament. Okay, next here. Okay, on the sides, so you have here kay medial man siya, so you have your medial collateral ligament of the knee joint or tibial collateral ligament. This one, lateral collateral ligament of the knee joint or fibular collateral ligament. Kani siya, these are your meniscus, so medial meniscus, lateral meniscus. This one of your posterior cruciate ligament. This one of your anterior cruciate ligament. And this one would be your posterior tibiofibular ligament of the superior or proximal tibiofibular joint. Or you just can have just proximal posterior tibiofibular ligament. And this one you have interosseous membrane. This one you have your posterior tibiofibular ligament yapon, but distal siya. Distal or inferior posterior tibiofibular ligament. Okay, next, this ligament from your lateral malleus to your calcaneus. So this will be your calcaneofibular ligament. Then here, kaning ligament nga nag-bifurcate. Bifurcate. You have this bifurcate ligament. And then these ligaments that are found at dorsal side, your dorsal man siya, so those are your dorsal ligament, depending on which joint. So many siya, like for example here, second tarsometatarsal joint. So this would be the dorsal ligament of the second tarsometatarsal joint. And third, fourth. And next, these ligaments here are found at the sides, so these are collateral ligaments. So like this one, this would be the collateral ligaments of the third metatarsophalangeal joint. Ano? So, collateral ligament of the fourth proximal interphalangeal joint. Okay, here. Okay, now.